Welcome to Blazer Engraving. I'm going to show you today how to make glow-in-the-dark keychains using acrylic, glow-in-the-dark powder, resin, and your simple K40 laser. While we're watching this, I'm going to talk a little bit about my laser and kind of what I've got going on. I'm getting a lot of questions lately. I'm trying to keep my laser super simple. I'm probably going to do some upgrades in the future, but just this is super basic. I removed the tray that comes with the laser. It's practically useless. And I replaced it with a recycled cookie sheet. That's that black wire that you see in the background there. Yeah, it's funny, but hey, it works. And I just used some magnetic hooks to hold it up. Just level it, make sure it's super level according to the laser head. It works great. You can use any design you want. Make sure that you keep the tape on your acrylic. I'm using clear acrylic here, which you'll see makes the glow look really cool, but any color should work. I sell these, that's why I'm making so many, on a website, www.runerefinery.com. I'll put the link down below. And that's why I have such a large jar of resin here. I use a vacuum chamber, as you see in the background. I'm going to put links to everything that I would suggest you use if you're just going to do a few of these, and then you can go from there. So I'm using a blue glow powder. I'm in a vacuum chamber and that sucks out all the air bubbles. That just makes everything nice and smooth. You really do not have to do this. The first few that I made, I never thought about using a vacuum chamber. This just makes it a lot easier and turns out absolutely perfect. Because I'm going to sell these, I want to make sure they're great. Make sure that you take the keychains and then you put them on just a piece of tape. That will allow the resin to have a flat surface to bond to and easy to peel off. I just use disposable eyedroppers to fill in the parts that I want to glow. Just make sure that you fill them up all the way. That will make sure that everything's flat. Turns out really nice. I use an old toaster oven to cure the resin. That just makes sure that it cures faster. You can just leave them out overnight, leave them out in the sun. Both will do the same thing. Baking them works much better though. As I peel the tape away, that brown tape on top of the acrylic, you can finally see the finished product of the keychain. These are super cool. I love how they really pop and stand out. The glow-in-the-dark effect really makes it even better, and that glow-in-the-dark powder is really what does it. You could use paint too, that would give you the color effect, but if you want the glow-in-the-dark, you have to use the glow-in-the-dark powder in the resin to get this really cool effect. You can see the glow kind of shines on the side of the keychain too, that's why I like clear. These are just set up. I'll put a link with the chains I use too. They're really neat. Yeah, overall, it's a fun project. It's easy. You can do it really fast. Just design something that you think is cool. Put that on a keychain. It'll glow in the dark. You can see your keys in the dark. What's not to love? Anyway, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good one.